Hey, this is John Bourgeois, your Nashville, Tennessee real estate agent, and today we are here in the beautiful rolling hills of Nolensville. We're over here at a very coveted community called Scales Farmstead. We're going to be looking at a home by Pulte Homes, the Vanderbilt, and oh my goodness guys, I'm really excited to share it with you. But if this is your first time to the channel, let me just stop and say welcome. Again, my name is John Bourgeois. I am your Nashville, Tennessee real estate agent, really your resource for all things Nashville. So whether that be you're looking at a new home, you're looking at a resale home, you're looking to list, move, or even relocate, really want to be a resource for you and definitely want to make this an easier process on you. Now, if you're a buyer and you're wondering what your buying power is, or if you're a seller and you just want to know what your home is worth, feel free to leave a comment below, or you can text me, email me, call me. Let's go ahead and connect and figure out exactly how we make this be the smoothest process for you. Other than that, make sure you like, you subscribe, turn on that notification bell. That notification bell is just going to make sure you're getting as much up-to-date content as possible throughout this entire process. Other than that, welcome to your new home. Again, I mentioned that we're here today at Scales Farmstead, and that's over in Nolensville, Tennessee. Now, a couple of really important things about Scales Farmstead. This is a highly sought after community in the Williamson County area for a couple of different reasons. First off, being in Nolensville and being in Williamson County, it means you've got that A+ rating when it comes to schools. It's also a brand newly constructed community. So that means you've got some amazing amenities like a swimming pool and clubhouse. You've got a community garden. You've got several play parks for the kids. And then on top of that, you're literally a short drive away from shopping, dining, entertainment options, both in Brentwood, Franklin, and Nolensville. We're going to be looking at today is the model home by Pulte Homes. This is the Vanderbilt. You're looking at 4 beds. You're looking at 3.5 baths. You're looking at 3,279 square feet, and you're looking at a 2-car garage. Now, a couple of things that I just absolutely loved about this home is one, there's an amazing little nook turned into kind of like a home office space that overlooks the beautiful windows of the living room. 2, upstairs is a gorgeous second porch section, little balcony that kind of overlooks the neighborhood, and they've done it quite well by putting rocking chairs. One of my favorite things are rocking chairs, so that really got my heart. But other than that, I just love the home overall, and I'm really excited to share it with you. We'll definitely do a tour of the community as well at the end of the video, but other than that, enjoy the tour. you.